I want to say a big thank you to the team for very kindly sending out to me this high grade, food safe citrus squeezer. I absolutely love lemon water, so I'm very excited to try this. Now this is a really high quality stainless steel squeezer, absolutely no plastic on this one, so this is going to be really sturdy, it's going to be for life. This is also rust resistant as well, so it is going to be really easy to maintain. This is not only great for home, but also commercially. Maybe you work in a bar, or maybe you just got a bar cart at home and you love entertaining. This is going to be absolutely fantastic. This has got a really nice grip, so you're going to feel really confident using it. It's really sturdy. This is going to impress people when they see it. And the design is quite unique, I think. It's got a really nice hinge design, which glides really nicely to get all of that juice out of your citrus. And it's not just lemons, it's also limes, oranges, and pretty much anything that you want to squeeze. It has a really great design to filter out all those pips and seeds as well, so all you're getting is pure, lovely juice. It's super easy to clean, just give it a rinse and allow it to dry and put away when you're finished. And when not in use, it folds away for easy storage. I absolutely love this citrus squeeze. I think it's really classy, really heavy duty, really impressive as well. If you saw this at a party, you'd be really impressed and you'd ask, where did you get that from? A big thank you again to the team for sending this through to me. I cannot wait to use this when I'm cooking and when I'm making cocktails and just generally entertaining.